Hello everybody, subscribe to Sniper Matter 21.
Airsoft. Go that way. Oh, hit! No, it's fine, it's fine. Racism. Oh my god. Are you dead? Are you dead? Person I see, I'm gonna shoot.
Yep, next person you see, we're gonna shoot.
No, it didn't.
I swear to God, it did. I put it in.
Put it in.
I put it in like
You put it in the
this.
wrong way.
I'm putting it in the wrong way, right? Like this?
Yeah. Yeah.
How is it the wrong way?
That's the right way.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hold on, you were right. Dude, I got so confused. You're like, where are you
Your
going?
finger's on the button, Goofy.
On what? I'm so confused.
Here, hold this, smartass.
Show me how to do this. I feel stupid. Don't put this in the video. Oh, but you can do it first try. What? How?
So we might be a little on the slower side.
A little bit, but not a lot. Ow! Ow!
Actually,
What's slow? The Mark 3?
no.
Can I shoot you in the helmet?
Dude, we're getting spawn camp.
Come here.
We're getting spawn camp. Why would you do that?
It's good content.
Now you fall down.
And another one bites the car.
Oh!
You got lucky, it hit me right here. It hit me right here.
I allowed me to pull the trigger.
Equality. Take me!
I got him.
Come on! Oh shit! Oh!
Soldier, get up!
You got me!
Where is he?
Oh! I talk a lot because I'm depressed.
That's content.
That's
Come here,
content.
come here. You ready?
Tell everybody, subscribe to Sniper Matter 21.